Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's keep up with the gold market. So everything stands according to our trading plan by far. Some problems I see with the setup that we have talked about. So actually, in 2 words speaking, we expect some meaningful reaction on the long-term target that has been hit last week. This is 1330, a major XOP target. And since this target has relation to higher time frame, so it's not just a daily target or intraday, this is weekly ABCD target, and the market was going to this target considerable period of time, so it's more than the half a year, and you have in a year, so it's a long time, and that let us count on some moderate and longer term retracement, deeper retracement maybe. And since we started with evening star and has been formed here on the top, we're dealing still with this pattern, but already we could foresee a bit higher pattern that could lead to the deeper retracement, and this pattern is the hand shoulders. So you can see this could become left shoulder, head with the morning star on top stands at 1618 extension of the shoulder. This is very typical. This is typical ratio for a hand shoulders pattern. Now the next logical action should be back to the neckline. It's not necessarily will be flat, maybe it will be a bit with a slope, maybe this kind of the neckline will be on the market, but that should be some action to the 1303, 1305 area. This is a neckline that should be hit. Also we said that that will be probably the floor of this week, because markets also accompanied with the daily oversold, I mean this level, so hardly market will drop lower than this support area on this week. And currently we are watching for possible downward continuation and where the market will give us the possible hand shoulders. Potentially we could get the greater A, B, C, top D action, maybe something to 1275 retracement or something of that sort, before any other action will follow. But currently the potential even of this candlestick pattern has not been exhausted yet. So this is only the first part of the action that we have talked about. So as soon as we get the pattern, we said that first action will be some minor retracement up, but after that we should get the major extension down. That should be equal approximately the length of the pattern itself. And now actually we are watching for this progress in this setup. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the opportunity to go short that we have discussed in the weekly report has worked very well. So if you remember, that was the bread and butter sell trade, and we said that until market has not reached the 1325 area, you could relatively safe try to take the short position. This opportunity has been provided by the market yesterday. So yesterday in the evening, market has hit the minimal target of the bread and butter trade, 1325. Currently the major question is whether market will show deeper retracement up first and we will get this clear garter triple to sell, or market will continue move down immediately. So two different chances exist in different setups. It will not break the idea on the daily chart, so actually it's not really a big difference between the minor retracement, or market will show a bit greater retracement here before downward action. The setup on the daily chart will stands the same. It could change only if market will take it out of this top and continue upward action. But on the 4-hour time frame chart, that could be different picture. For example, market could show this kind of action to the upside and right to the 618 resistance 1325. And this actually depends on whether market will be able to hold above the minimal target of the bread and butter. If market will drop it lower and continue move lower back to the lows, it will mean that no ABC retracement will happen, and you should be ready for a straightforward drop right back down to the more extended targets. So what we have here on the hourly chart. That's two different steps that could be formed. So take a look that actually the bread body trade has been completed here with this spike down, but market right now returns right back down right to the same level, 1325. By this action, market completes the kind of the A, B, C, top, D pattern, and we have garters triple to buy. Those of you who would like to make the bet on possible action to the 1335, this kind of the A, B, C, D pattern, now it's most suitable point to do this, because if even market will not follow to the 1335, some minor reaction on the garters triple two will happen, and that will let you to protect your position with the break-even stop. If later you will be wrong and market will continue to move lower, well, in this case, it will not give you some loss, because you will close at the break-even point. Because market right now stands in agreement support, so 1325, and the A, B, C, D pattern is completed here. Simultaneously, we have this triple two harmonic pattern. So that's the step for taking the scalp long trade. If you have the bearish view and think the market will continue to move lower, because reasons for that also exist. Particularly speaking, market already has tested this area, but was not able to continue upward direction immediately. So, and also this is the situation exists that market could show a minor pullback here and then reestablish move down. So this garter triple to buy could turn to the butterfly pattern. In this case, the next target that will be stands approximately 1317, because this will be COP of this larger A, B, C top pattern, and this also will be the butterfly 127 extension of this pattern. So that will be the point where next upward bounce could happen. So in this case, you could, if you have the bearish view, you could wait either the minor retracement here, with a suggestion that market will not continue to move higher with the stops above this area, with a 30% retracement somewhere up from this area. So you could bet on the completion of the garter triple to buy, but with the idea that maybe market will not continue to move high above this top. And in this case, this will be drop here, or probably you could search chance to go short at some other scenario. If market will show the 1335 action, that will be garters triple to sell. That's obvious. So will be chance to go short, but also waiting for the drop to the butterfly. Well, currently it's difficult to foresee all possible scenarios. Currently, I do not think that this will be very attractive. You could wait, for example, dropping to the COP and then trying to wait for some pullback for taking the short position. Well, we will talk about if this scenario will be valid. But currently, you could think about forming the butterfly, some minor retracement, and selling against the stop. If market will continue to move higher, in this case, that will be probably last trade, and next scenario, next opportunity to go short will be around 1335. Why I think that market really could continue to move lower? As I said, this area already has been hit, and market was not able to reestablish upward direction. Return right back down. Here we see some acceleration to these lowers, so chance on the drop further here really not bad. So it really could happen after the minor retracement here. So and the chance that market will continue to move lower right from this area are not equal to zero. They exist. So as you can see, different scenarios stands on the market right now. You could choose what you like more. So just see what will happen. If you already have the short position based on the brand body, well, that's just perfect. You could move your stop to the break-even and see what will happen next. Or you even could take the half of the profit, move your stops to the break-even, and watch what will happen on the rest of your position. That's just perfect combination. So, as you can see, gold market actually provides relatively clear patterns for trading. Different steps exist on the daily, on the high time frames. So just keep an eye on what is going on and take your trades.